$T. $T. Hey, I have to have money in this life. Oh, I have to have money in this life. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tolu Dawodu. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be trying on outfits that I got from Fashion Nova. So guys, surprise! My mom is visiting me in like 2 weeks from now. Ooh, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend coming. But guess what? You're not allowed to be sexy around my mom. It's frustrating. I don't know whose mother is like that. You cannot show cleavage around my mother. So almost all my clothes show cleavage because you know I like to show cleavage. It doesn't make me a bad girl, right? I just like to show cleavage. Show what your mama gave you. But yeah, guys, so I had to shop 2 different outfits from Fashion Nova, and I'm going to be trying them on for you. So these are the outfits. I know I'm supposed to be opening this box with you guys, but I got very impatient and I showed you guys on Instagram. My Instagram handle is TOOLZX Tools on Instagram. So if you're not following me, please follow me on Instagram. So this is the first outfit, and this is the second outfit. They're both 2 different 2-piece. This is a 2-piece outfit, 2-piece outfit. So let me open the first one for you guys so you can see it. How do you guys open your order? I just rip it off. Who has patience to be opening this quietly? That's why I have very long nails. Rip the damn thing off. I usually have my knife with me, but yeah, this is the first one. You see, I didn't open it for you guys so you guys can see that I'm literally just opening it right in front of you. This is wait, let me just try this one on. This is one outfit. Rich auntie vibes is what I'm giving my mother this season. And the second one is this one. Rip it off! Rip it open! Yeah, so this one is the second 2-piece. So I'm going to be trying those 2 outfits for you guys. Don't go away. I'm going to be trying them in different ways how you can style them. They're 2 outfits, but I'm probably going to show you guys how you can style them in like 3 different ways. So guys, hit the subscribe button. Don't go away. I'll see you. So this is the first outfit. This is silk. It's like a kimono. It's actually a kimono, not it's like a kimono. It is a kimono. So it's a 2-piece silk fabric, which is very good for the season right now. So you see how it looks. This is 2-piece. I love it. You know why? Because it has the dollar symbol. So when you see me in this outfit, just call me $T. Call me $T. Let me hear you say $T. $T. Tolu dollars. So yeah, and it's actually very free and flowy. You see? It's just something about this outfit. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to show cleavage, but whatever, man. Mommy, if you're watching this video, I got this outfit because of you. Hi, mommy. How you doing? My mom is actually my best friend, guys. You guys are going to be seeing her on this channel. So yeah, I think this is really, really nice. I'm going to show you another way you can wear this 2-piece outfit. Alright? So yeah, you don't have to go all boring and just wear this alone. But yeah, I really love this outfit. I love it because it's very sassy. It gives me this, this vibe, this rich auntie vibes. I cannot go follow. But yeah, this is it. This is really, really nice. I love it. Nice, right? So, mommy, I hope you love it. Guys, I love this outfit. I really do. I really do. Just put some heels. Put on some heels and wear a nice clutch. This is so nice. Makes me look like one millionaire that I am. Right? $T. $T. Hey, I have to have money in this life. Oh, I have to have money in this life. Okay, guys, so I'm going to retry this another time, like another way, but let me just wear the second one for you guys. All right, guys, this is the second outfit. Do you like this one? This is really, really nice. If my mom wasn't with me, I would just open it up like this and look sexy. Hi, mom. I know you can see me. Guys, my mom watches all my videos, all my YouTube videos. Jesus. So this is I like this one because it has the puffy sleeve, you know, giving me the rich auntie vibes. I love it. And the color is life. Oh, my nails are blue. See, it has blue, yellow. I love it, guys. I love this. I love this too much. It's so pretty. I love this outfit, guys. I really, really, really do. It gives my body the curve. It brings out my curves, you know. So this is really cool. Wear some nice heels and it. And you're good to go. Ouch. Yeah, this is really nice. Mommy, I hope you love this. I got it because of you. See the way you're stressing my life. She tells me, I don't want to see you opening your cleavage. Don't open your cleavage when you're next to me. You can do that when you're with your girls. But when you're with me, you cover up. So, African mother. That's it. Hope you like it. So guys, this is the two outfits, guys. So I'm just going to be wearing this one, trying this one another way. How you can style this another way. So another way you can style this is as a jacket. Just ignore my bra, but this is a bodysuit. You can actually just wear this as a jacket, you know, and wear this cowboy hat just to give it a nice look, you know, just to give it a nice look. Guys, I really, really like this. Let me show you the jewelry that I got. So Fashion Nova has really, really nice jewelries, guys. Like, for some of you that like to wear costume, don't have money for original gold like me, you know, say I don't get money like that, so you can just try their jewelry. This is really, really nice, guys. Look, you see it has the cross symbol. It's 1 2 3 4 in one. It's really nice. I love it. So because of time, I'm going to be trying it, but I don't get time. I beg. I have things to do. So this is rings that I got from Fashion Nova too. Just going to try them. I think I really like rings, guys. If you notice, if you know me, you know that I really, really love fashion rings because it just gives your hand gives it this nice look. As a woman, you know, jewelries are, I got you, baby, I'll take you later. Jewelries are things that you want to invest your money in. I be rings. So guys, how do I look? This is one way of styling it. Let me show you another way to style the second outfit. So another way I'm showing you this kimono is by wearing it with jeans. A pair of jeans will do. See? This is really, really classy. I think this also gives me the rich auntie vibes that my mom is looking for. So it's a perfect kimono. So you can wear it with jeans, you know, pants, trousers, whatever. So I'm just trying to let you know that sometimes when you buy two-piece, you don't necessarily have to wear it the way it comes. You can try it in different ways. Try this with a jean, try this with a pant, try the pants, trousers with a different top, you know. Just be versatile with fashion as long as you're comfortable in it. So guys, how does this really look? Tell me the truth. How does this really look? This is dollars. $T. 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 Come on. cool. Yes, it's another way. I should come wear this kimono. Ta-da! So this is the next one. I just wore this as a top. I wore it with the high waist jeans. I told you guys this season I'm not allowed to show tummy, no cleavage around my mother. So guys, this is, you know, I'm not showing any cleavage, but yet I'm sexy. And this is what my mother wants. Oh my god, my tummy is showing. But whatever, you can make do with this. Yeah, I just wear it with a perfect heart. You know. This is perfect. Perfect for my mother. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you watched it to the end. Please subscribe to this channel. Please just hit the subscribe button. That's all. I'm not asking you to pay money. You're not paying anything. You're just subscribing and that's all you're doing. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Make sure you stay safe. Bye guys.